Do you feel like saving money is impossible right now? What if I told you that you could save $1,000 in just a few weeks, even on a tight budget? Stick with me because I'm about to show you practical step by step strategies that actually work. Imagine having an extra $1,000 sitting in your savings account. What would that do for your peace of mind? The good news is you don't need a huge salary to make it happen. Even on a tight budget, you can save $1,000 fast if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. Step 1 slash unnecessary subscriptions and bills. Go through your bank statement line by line, cancel streaming services you barely watch, negotiate lower rates on your phone or internet, and pause anything you can live without for now. Even cutting $50 a month gets you halfway there in just 20 weeks. Step 2, do a 30-day no-spend challenge. For 1 month, only pay for essentials, rent, groceries, and bills. No eating out, no impulse buys. Every dollar you don't spend goes straight into savings, and you'll be shocked how quickly it piles up. Step 3, tackle your grocery budget. Plan meals, shop with a list, and stick to store brands. Cooking at home instead of eating out just 3 times a week can save $100 or more per month. Step 4, turn clutter into cash. Look around your home for things you don't use, electronics, clothes, furniture. Sell them on apps like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. Many people find $200 to $500 without even realizing it. Step 5, pick up quick side hustles. Deliver food, babysit, or do freelance work online. A few hours a week could easily give you an extra $200 or more each month, accelerating your savings goal. And here's the most important step, automate your savings. Open a separate account just for this $1,000 goal and set up automatic transfers. Even if it's just $10 or $20 at a time, consistency will get you there faster than you think. The key takeaway is simple. You don't need more money. You need a smarter system. Cut the waste, find hidden cash, and create small streams of extra income. Put it all together and you'll hit $1,000 before you know it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to your money map, and keep following for more tips to save smarter and build financial freedom.